Alright, what time are we looking at? Right at 3 p.m. Got a few more breaks lined up. I actually got all those other shipments, cards packaged and shipped out. So we're going to do these breaks real fast. Louie, the K-Stick on him in. 2011 Upper Deck Legendary Cuts. There you go. I'm going to open this up, roll the die, and see which one I get. There we go. Alright. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we go. If it's 6, we'll roll again. 5, bottom 1. Okay. Let's see what other numbers we had. 57, 46, 77, 49. Good. I'll set this over there. You got box number 21. Here we go, Louie. Down in the HI, 2011 Legendary Cuts. And it is, congratulations, number to 35, Babe Herman. Dang, you see Babe and you start thinking other things real fast. Babe Herman, 20 of 35. And there you go. Cool. So I appreciate it, Louie. I'll get this on the way to the HI today. See you, man.